Alright, so hopefully it's not too bright and we can actually see something in the video. So today's job, we're here in Inman Valley. Beautiful spot. Don't know if you can see the location. Inman Valley in South Australia, Fleurieu Peninsula. I reckon Inman Valley is probably one of my favourite valleys in the Fleurieu. Homestead up there. This is a sheep farm, I think. Sheep and cattle. So yeah, here we are. Just doing a milling job. I think this is another client that wants some bench tops for a new kitchen, house renovation. So yeah, this log is a pink gum log, we think. I don't know the botanical name, but yeah, it's got some sort of really twisted grain. So this would have been, you know, this tree would have been fairly windblown as it grew up and just grain twisted around. There's another tree over there that sort of looks like it's done the similar sort of thing. But yeah, pink gum's good wood, but sometimes it has a few defects in it. So you can see, I don't know if you can see that there. That defect there. Pink gum's sort of renowned for having that sort of stuff just all the way up the log. So this one's just a bit of an experiment. We thought we'd do the cruddy one first. Cut some live edge slabs. So yeah, we're just gonna rip this one up, cut it into slabs, 2-inch slabs I think. See how it is. But then later on we're gonna get into the good stuff. This is red gum, so this one looks fairly solid. Looks like it's got some good fiddleback through it. I call it fiddleback grain. You can see it. You can see it in this break here, how the grain looks like it's got really tiny waves in it. Yeah, that often makes for sort of like a mottled tiger sort of pattern in the grain. So yeah, hopefully that one's good too. It's a stinking hot day today, so I don't know how far we're going to get. We got the shade up. I think we'll just keep cutting until it gets too hot. And then come back tomorrow. So yeah, I'll check in again and take some more footage if I come across a nice slab. Another day of milling. So we're on the same job at Inman Valley. Yesterday it was, what do you reckon it would have been down here, about 37 degrees in the shade. So we did this pink gum log yesterday, but yeah, it just got too hot. I couldn't be bothered filming, it was too hot. We just wanted to do the log and get out of here. So yeah, we just slabbed that log. Probably have to do that wing on one of these logs. Chuck it upside down on top. So today we're just going to do some dimension cutting, cut some planks out of this nice fat red gum. We might, yeah, and then we're going to do some planks off this blue gum as well. But yeah, I was asked by a subscriber to do a video about sort of cutting with the dimension cutter from both sides to get a double width plank. So hopefully when we get into this one, it's a good enough quality to yeah, cut from both sides. Rather than getting a 6x2 board, we can get a 12 by 2 board or a 10 by 2 board. Should look pretty nice. I reckon this is a solid log. Maybe set the yeah, so it's 37 degrees yesterday. We had to set up the gazebo for some shade, and now today it's like, yeah, it's early in the morning, there's fog, looks like it's gonna rain. It's probably about 19 degrees. We've got jumpers on. On the radio they're saying that it's gonna be 35 in Adelaide, but it ain't gonna be 35 here. So we might even have to put the gazebo up to keep the rain off us. Adelaide weather. Hot one day, cold the next. Just like Adelaide women. Oops, I shouldn't have said that. Ah well. It's done now. No filter on my mouth. Alright, let's cut. have a lot less wastage in trying to dress it. Well, with the 8-inch one, apparently you can rest it on the top of that, drop the rails, and just turn it. You don't actually have to lift it. Because it's all locked into the frame. But whether that's more messing about than just doing what we did,